Hello guys, so today I'm gonna show you how to get access to the VEO3 model for free. It's pretty simple and easy since this AI Google model is early access. It's not available for everyone, so only people who are located in the US, UK, Brazil, and I think two other countries are eligible. So before we start, make sure you are from these countries or at least you have your VPN activated. So first of all, what you wanna do is go to your Google Chrome and then go to one.google.com. Make sure to sign up with your Gmail account. As you can see here, Google provides you with two plans, either Google AI Pro or Google AI Ultra. So Google AI Pro is completely free for the first month, as you can see, which will provide you with the VEO3. You have access to VEO3 here, and it provides you with 1,000 monthly credits that you can use for your AI cinematic generation. So go to this plan and click start trial. It will redirect you to this page. After that, click get Google AI Pro. Make sure to agree to the terms of the service. So as you can see, I have to put the payment method right here. You can put your credit or debit card information to start the trial, and as you can see, you won't be charged if you cancel before a certain period of time. I think you have like a month of free usage that you can decide. You can cancel anytime you want. So click add credit or debit card, or you can pay on your phone. After that, click save. Your plan should be activated and you can use it freely from now on. But remember, you have a free trial, so it will automatically renew and you will pay like $20 the next month. So make sure to cancel your subscription if you don't like the model, and that's it. Make sure you subscribe and see you on the next one.